Hey sweeties, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing nails, press-ons, showing y'all my collection and how I preserve them. So the first set of nails are from the Dollar Tree. I was so hyped when I saw these from Ione. Like, Ione has everything. Nails, makeup, juice for your nails, anything you could think of. But I got this other set too. I don't know how I really feel about them, but that first pair is super cute. I'm thinking about recreating them on like a square nail. But these two are super cute. I haven't tried them on. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. They are blue and pink, and they have like iridescent, and I love the fact that it come with 24 pieces, so that means I could get 2 wears out of each box. So that was cute, that was decent, and I ain't tried these on yet either, but just from the look of it, it looked like I could fit them. Now these nails here from the Dollar Tree as well, they are like a pink stiletto, and they only come with 12 pieces. So that means it's just like enough for one set, and then just 2 additional nails just in case. Now these nails, they are cute, but I'm not too sure of the shape. I don't know if they're coffin, short, square, but they are short, and I got 2 packs of these, and I'm going to give them away to my little cousins. I love the colors, but they don't fit my nails, like not one bit. Now we're going to get into Family Dollar. Every time I go in Family Dollar, whether I'm going in there for nails or not, I just look at their nail section and they always come through. Well, Kiss always come through. They come with 24 nails. This is like a cow print and it's brown. And then this next set of nails, they are just all pink. I'm going to wear these as like an accent nail and make another, like my own set with them, or design these up a bit and just spruce them up because they plain. Then these nails, this Kiss specific type, like it says Kiss sculpted, those are my favorite Kiss nails. Well, my favorite shape, but I'll show you my favorite Kiss nails. But these here, they fit my nails so perfectly to the point where I had another color, and I'll show y'all that later on in the video. But these here, they are my favorite, my absolute favorite. I done bought these about 4 or 5 times already, spruced them up, blinged them out. They fit my nails so perfectly, and they make it look like I really went to the salon. They come with 24 as well, and y'all, please try these nails out. The Kiss Sculpted, perfect. Okay, so now we get into temunails, and I saved this part for like later on in the video, strictly because y'all see my Temu hauls and my most recent Temu nail haul. But I just wanted to say something about this specific shape. This shape here, it don't fit my nails, and I'm gonna show y'all. Like, it looked like it does right here, but when I turn to the side and get close up, you'll see that some of my nail is showing. Y'all see that? I know it's very, very small, so I'm going to keep these just as like a just in case or an emergency, but y'all know press-on nails are supposed to fit sidewall to sidewall in order for them to fit. You can actually damage your nail if it doesn't fit, and they'll start hurting. But these are from Temu as well. I'm scared to wear these ones, y'all, because it's like a lot going on. So I may just paint over one, like all black or all white. I don't know. They scares me. And then I think these here are my absolute favorite set from Temu. I love the design. This is like a duplicate. I had this set probably about 2 times already. Probably going to order it again. Well, most likely I am going to order it again. But it comes with multiple. So I love the fact that all my press-on nails do come with at least 24 nails, so I can do them twice. But this here is a very cute set, and I can't wait until the weather break. It's starting a little cold and the season change, so this brown would, go along with the seasons. But right now, I'm still in the bright colors and everything like that. Now, y'all remember that first set from Temu, that round almond shape? These are so cute, but they fit the same exact way. These ones fit a little bit better, so I may keep them. But these ones here, I'm definitely giving away to my little cousins, like one of them. These are so ugly. Like, the design is cute, but the shape and the length, I'm that spicy hot mess. Now, these are my most recent purchases from Temu. Y'all did just see this in my last haul. If y'all haven't, I'll definitely go link that down below. But these are so cute. In my last haul, I was just mentioning how the white isn't as pigmented, so I may just have to go over them. These two are also from Temu. The green and yellow is so cute, and I feel like I need to hurry up and wear them before the summer is over. I feel like all coffin nails fit my nails perfectly, but the square nails, I feel like they run a bit smaller, so I may just have to size up. Either way, I'm still going to wear them, and they still going to look cute. The pink could have been a little bit more darker, but I guess it's like a really soft pink. These are completely, like, ugly. I don't like the shape. I don't like the base color for the French. I just don't like them. So these are another one I'm going to be giving away to one of my little cousins. These here, I had these for a very long time. I think probably since one of my first or second Temu hauls, and I haven't worn them yet. I don't know why, y'all. I don't know why. I think I like wearing the nails that I make myself. And these ones here are from Temu. I did wear these, and these are just a remainder. So like I said, I love the fact that I can wear them again. But these, they were cute. They were cute. They definitely need a top coat because they do get stained and dirty. And then these are another pair that I wore already. I don't know where they went because usually I would put them in a little baggie so I could rewear those ones that I already wore. And then these would be, another backup. That way I could get at least more than 2 wears. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. But these are another fave. Like I told y'all before, these remind me of Marissa Marie. Go check her channel out. She is such a girly girl. Now these, I may have to just go ahead and order me another pair because I think I only got like 8 of these nails. But they were so cute. Or I could just make me a nail to match with it. I have coffin full coverage tips, so these were so cute, but I don't have a full set. And the good thing is I do list all of my products, order links in all my videos, so I can go back and get them. So now we're going to get into the ones that I've worn, the ones that I made, and how I just store my press-on nails. So if I really like a set, then I would get these little baggies. I got them from Shein, but they do have them on Temu as well. And I would soak my nails off and just put them in a bag just go back in my drawer when I am ready to wear them again. But that first pair was from the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, not the Dollar Tree. It was from Family Dollar. They were kissnails as well. And these ones here, another fave from Temu, is giving bikini bottom. And I say that every time I see these nails. It is definitely giving bikini bottom. But they were so cute. Now, if you're going to store your nails like me, like the way I do them, take them off and put them in a baggie, you may want to invest in like an electric grill. Did I say grill? I meant to say drill. It's just so you can drill off the excess glue that be on the back of it. If you don't soak them long enough, the glue won't come off. Or you could just file it off. But I have to clean a lot of these nails. But these pink ones here, I bought these about the same amount of time as I bought the other kiss nails, about 4 or 5 times, y'all. And like I said, the sculpted fit my nails so perfectly to the point where I will buy multiple packs. And then that pink one, I spruced them up a bit. I haven't worn the purple ones only because, I don't know, purple is my favorite color, but I don't really wear it on my hands. But these were from Temu. And as I'm looking at them, I don't think I wore these, but I remember that I did. And I just didn't take that set off and put it in the bag. This was just the remainder of what was left over in the pack. And I'm sad I only got one rhinestone nail left, but y'all know, sprucing them up. See? My absolute favorite kiss nail. The design, the shape, everything. I love it. Now, these nails here, I believe this is a combination of Kiss and Temu. Like this set here, the hearts and that light brown, that's definitely a Temu nail set. And then the cheetah is from Kiss. And I got them together because I don't have enough of the cheetah set, and it came with like colorful nails too, but I thought they would look right together. That's why I put them in the same little baggie, but they don't now that I'm looking at this camera. All right, so these nails here, I got two because it came with a lot. I think it came with like 36 nails, to be completely honest. And I honestly don't remember where I got these from or what brand they are. But these are just a simple baby blue square nail, a long square nail. I did make a video on this, I think. I don't know, y'all. Don't get me to lying. But I remember wearing these during the winter. And I did like a winter set. So it's got like the little sugar dust nail art on there and little snowflakes, and I just spruced them up just a little bit, and they are like matte, so they're not shiny, so I kept it just like that. And as y'all see, some of these nails, they are dirty underneath. They still got the little putty on them, so that's why I really need to go in and deep clean every single last pair. But I will be making a video on how I spruce up my press-on nails. I got you, Celeste. I got you, girl. But these nails here were like my first set that I have ever made. Is this one, and is another one. You'll see that I think is next. I don't know, but they light blue. But this set here, this is my favorite design out of any nail set I have ever seen. Like, my favorite design. It could be on a square nail, it could be on a coffin nail, it could be on an extra long nail. It don't matter. That little outline is so cute to me. So cute. Now, this is another set that I made. Square nails using BT Art Box full coverage tips. And I would think this was for a brand. I don't know if it was Nail Reserve or Madam Glam, but it was just a simple color set. And I like simple color sets because you can like move the colors around. So I could wear it like this. I could wear every other one. I just love the flexibility that you have when it comes to press-ons in general. Now, this is the other set that I made, one of my first sets. There go that line design again, the little outline. And this is when I started doing like the little 3D designs. Not 3D, but I don't know what they called, y'all. Y'all see the hearts on that first nail? Where it's like, yeah, it's like 3D. 3D that you do with like the powder. Yep. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. See? Yeah. But these need to be cleaned off, and I need to like make more. I'll make the full set because that look like it's only 6 nails. Seriously. All right, this is a most recent set. I do have a video on how I achieved this look. This is like my luxury bling nails on a budget. So I think I only lost about 2 of these nails. So, well, one of them I know exactly where it is. So I'll say 1 nail. But anyway, this is a really cute set, and I'm thinking about reapplying them. But y'all, I feel like making your own nails is the best way to go. Like, you can change your nails every day if you want to. And this is another favorite of mine. And I think this is the last set, but this is another favorite of mine. I really took my time with this. The only difference is I wish I wouldn't have top coated it. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for my nail collection. It is definitely still being built. I'm making me some nails today. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.